Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial series. In today's video, I will guide you through how to partition a new disk using the Partition tool on RHEL8 and RHEL9. By the end of the video, I will be able to safely prepare a new disk and ensure it is automatically mounted after every reboot. Let's get started. Added a hard disk. Added hard disk. $60. Okay, now open the visual machine. Okay. Now, username root. Password. Okay, open your terminal. Okay, now step 1, create the mount directory. Type command nkdir data. Create a data directory. Okay, now confirm a new disk. Type command is lsblk. Now this new disk is SDA. Now step 3, start partition the partition with partition. Okay, now enter the partition interactive mode. Make for dv stay. Type command partition /dv sda. This screen. Okay, enter. Now create a GPT partition table. Type command is mklabel GPT. Okay, create. Okay, now create a partition that uses the full disk. mkpart. Okay, name is data. Okay, now file system type. You can type ext4. ext4. Okay, star. Now all space is *1 and this -1. Okay, now verify the partition layout. Print. Check the partition. Okay, now it's set. Okay, now format the disk as ext4. Type command is mkfs.ext4 ext4 /dv/sda. Oh, sorry, it's set. Sorry, mkfs.ext4 /dv/sda. Okay, yes. Okay, format is okay. Okay, now mount the disk to data directory. Mount slash dev slash sda slash data. Now type lsblk. Okay, mount. Okay, right. Okay, now enable auto mount at boot. Type bin slash etc slash fstab. Now edit the line slash dev slash sda. Now this slash data. This ext4. Okay, this is defaults. This 0. Okay, now colon wq. Okay, now reboot and verify auto mount. Reboot. Wait a minute. So fast. Okay. Username root. Sorry. Password. Okay, open the terminal. Okay. Type command lsblk. Okay, now auto mount right. Okay. Good job. You have just learned how to partition and configure a new disk on RHEL8 using Partition. The workflow is in central for management storage in the enterprise's Linux environment and will help you build reliable and scalable systems. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tutorial series. See you next time.